Hey everybody, this is Mom Party. I'm Jessica, and we're going to decorate a table Halloween style today. My son is taking a nap right now, so I want to prep what we're going to do when he wakes up while he's still asleep. I have some gray cloth napkins, this printable that's available for you in the description below, and this really thick piece of foam. We're going to use these cutouts as a template to make a stamp on this foam, and then I'm going to have my son stamp the little bats onto these cloth napkins. I gave you a few different sizes to choose from, so if you want one big bat, you could do that, this guy right here. I'm going to use the second largest one for mine today because I like the way it looks best. I'm going to cut it out, trace it onto the foam, and then cut out the foam. He's done. With the scraps, I made kind of even little squares so that we can make a really not great looking handle for Jackson to hold on to while he stamps. I'm also going to glue the bat onto another piece of foam just to kind of reinforce it a little bit and make it even more like a stamp. There we go. It doesn't look really great, but this part doesn't have to because the whole thing is gonna look great. So we're gonna set this aside until Jackson wakes up from his nap. We've got some wicked bedhead happening. Ball. Yeah, they're so cool. That one has to stay there. It's stuck. We have our cloth napkin. I have some black outdoor paint. I just wanted to choose a paint that wouldn't wash off if we had to put these napkins through the wash. We have our stamp. I tested it a little bit ago just to make sure it looked okay. And I have a sponge brush where I'm gonna paint the stamp for Jackson and then let him go to town. It looks so good. It looks better than I thought it would, to be honest. Wow, bud. Good job. I'm not sure that he will last for all 4 of these napkins, but I'm sure an older kid would. What does a bat say, Jackson? Meow. Meow. He totally approves. Yay, bats! I will finish the other 4. But I think he would really prefer to eat lunch first. Our napkins are all dry, and this is what they look like, all folded up nice and neat. If you'd like for there to be more bats showing when your napkin is all folded up, just put more stamps on than I did. For napkin rings, we are going to use these little Dracula teeth. I got these from Target. They come in a pack with quite a few other colors. I think I saw a pack of just white teeth at the Dollar Tree the other day. Just pull your napkin halfway through these little plastic Dracula teeth. And there you go. You can set that right on top of your plates. The next part of our tablescape is going to be our centerpiece, and we're going to use these eyeballs and these fake flowers. I got both of them from Hobby Lobby. The roses are a dark purple. I kind of sprayed their leaves and the underside of the actual flower with a little bit of black spray paint just because the leaves of the flower were kind of a bright green. The black flowers with these little details, I'm not sure what flower they are. I just liked that they had these kind of extra little buds hanging off. I want to add a kind of a disclaimer to this video. If you watch crafting videos and DIY videos and you think, I am not artistic enough, I'm not creative enough, I don't have enough patience, or I don't have enough time. Actually, the I don't have enough time part might be really, really true. But if you think any of those things, then this is the video for you. Everything we're doing today takes such a short amount of time. It takes very little skill, and it looks really, really great when you're done. Halloween crafts are the best time to start your creative journey because they're supposed to be kind of creepy and kind of gross anyway. If you feel nervous to start crafting or to do any of these things, then do the centerpiece because it will take you 5 minutes and it's so worth it. I've got my black flowers and all we're gonna do is hot glue an eyeball into the center of this flower. That's it. I don't have anything else. I don't have any more directions for you guys. Okay, I lied. I have a little bit of a trick for you. There's a little bud in the center of this guy. I'm just gonna cut it flat so that my eyeball lays a little bit better once it's glued in. So the bag of eyeballs that I got, that's a sentence that I never thought I would say, came with more than I needed. So I thought that I would stick them in the vase with the flowers and see how that looks. I love it so much. So the eyeballs at the bottom just kind of, it took no effort and I had extra and I think it makes it look just a little bit more awesome and creepy. Now we're gonna make some placemats for our table setting. I have a 12 by 18 inch piece of felt material. It's a little bit stiffer than the smaller pieces of felt that you can get. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I also have a piece of chalk and I just sketched a bunch of lines that intersect at a middle point. Then I'm gonna go through and have each of these lines connect by an upside down rainbow. This is my end result. I'm gonna go in and cut out all of the black areas and leave the chalk parts. Don't worry about the chalk, we can wipe it down with a damp rag later and get rid of it. Now you have a spiderweb placemat. I ended up using an X-Acto knife for all of the inside pieces and I think that worked a lot better than just regular scissors. I got the chalk out by kind of like shaking it and actually slapping it against the countertop. I'm gonna put together the place setting with you guys. Here we have the spiderweb place setting that we made. This runner is actually from Target like 4 years ago. So I like to set a large plate down. I have these skull plates that I got from Home Goods. And then we can put our napkin with our Dracula teeth in the middle, fork and a knife, and a wine glass. I wanted to give you guys a look at all of our decorations put together. This little spider in a cage is from Target a few years back. Then we have our bouquet of eyeballs. The potion bottles are also from Target a few years back. And then we have our amazing place setting. It looks so good, you guys. The little spiders are from my Halloween wreath craft. If you haven't seen that, just head over to my YouTube page and then look for the video titled 3 Halloween Wreaths. I had so much fun putting together this table with you guys today. These crafts are so easy and they look amazing at the end. You don't need any skill to do any of them. They're all foolproof and awesome. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'd love to know in the comments if you guys do any Halloween themed meals. We've never done one, but I think it would be really fun. If you've loved this video today, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.